Before we start, let's talk about linear inequalities. The definition of a linear inequality is the equation of a line with an inequality sign instead of an equal sign. The solution to a linear inequality is an entire set of points within a region. Now I'll show you an example of what I am speaking of.
Here I have written an example of what a linear inequality will look like. So what we are going to do is identify some key things in a linear inequality problem. First, we will find the slope of the line and the y-intercept. The y-intercept, as we can see, is 1, 2, 3, -3. So we will write that in the B. Next, we will see what the slope is, which is m. So our next point is 1, 2, 3 up and 1, 2, 3, 4 over. So it would be 3 over 4. Our inequality, or our equation, is y. And now we are going to look at where the shading is and what type of line it is. So as you can see, it's a dotted line, the shading is above or to the north. So we can take from this that it is y is greater than, with no dash underneath the inequality sign, 3/4 x minus 3. Some solution points. Now we are going to identify some solution points. Solution points are points that are in the shaded region. So it can be any point in this shaded region. However, a solution point cannot be outside the shaded region. So, for example, this is a solution point. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. However, something that is not a solution point, specifically not a solution point, is what is not inside the shaded region. And that would be over here, which would be -5 and -1. Yeah. So we are now going to apply our identifying skills into actually graphing a linear inequality. Here I have an equation: y is less than or equal to 6x plus 7. So we have our 7, our y-intercept. We have our slope, 6, which will actually turn out to be 6 over 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here, plot our first few points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always do rise over run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. All right. Now we're going to see what our inequality sign is. So as we can see, this is an inequality that has a line underneath it, which means it's going to be a solid line. Then what we are going to do is we're going to see, is it greater than or less than y? And as we can see, it is less than y. So that means we are going to shade below. Any solution points will be in this region. no solution points will be in this region. We'll find, and that's it.